If you have children or pets or just like to keep things tidy, then you know the value of a really good vacuum cleaner. I was looking for all sorts of vacuum cleaners online, and I wanted one that not only vacuums, but that also is able to mop the floors. And this one, Tineco, not only vacuums and mops the floors, it also steams the floors, which I personally love because it disinfects everything in my house. And it's very simple. All you do is add water right here, just plain water, put it in, plug it in, turn it on, you hit steam, and you wait until it gets to 100.
It simultaneously vacuums and steams and washes the floors, but you do have an option to wash the floors without the steam.
It does a good job at cleaning everything, all the small little pieces of hair, debris from the corners. It does a pretty good job at that. Not only does it do that, it also steams the floors and wets them. And then when everything dries, it's so nice and clean. It's very easy to use, super lightweight, and you can remove the dirty water pretty easily, like that. There's the filter. You could just go ahead, take this off, and dump the dirty water. And there's just all the debris that collects in there. And then you can actually open this up right here and clean that as well. I like to just wash this and clean all of that. What I love about this is you can just clean everything and be ready for the next use. Super easy to clean too. The Tineco also has a self-cleaning function. You put it on this stand and you turn it on. This will save you a lot of time, a lot of hassle, and just has everything you need. So you're not buying a mop in addition to a vacuum cleaner. You have it all right here. We don't even have a mop in the house. We just have this. This one does everything.